I didn't bring my stick, Tato, because I didn't bring my stick for hello, say hello.
Hey guys, hello. We are on the riverside.
Riverside,
Show them this big wheel, mommy.
may big wheel doon, oh. Hello, 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 big wheel. Malaki lang big wheel doon. Pang ano.
Okay, let's go for a walk.
Lakad-lakad tayo guys. Lakad. Which way we will go? Which way?
Go down, watch. On the riverside, please. You will see a nice yacht.
There is a nice one. What to do?
Yeah. Do some food. Ice cream. Oh,
Didn't bring
this sailing ship. I will tell you a little bit more. It's the oldest sailing ship under Polish flag. Shake. Can you shake to? No?
Andre? We have to something to eat. Look guys, oh, ang ganda ng
This sailing ship.
yung lugar na yon, Robredo. Yun, yung malaking building na to. Doon diretso ka lang dyan, malapit sa bahay na yan. This is the old ship.
The oldest sailing ship under Polish flag.
Ito, old ship daw ito. Kapitan. May kapitan pala dito.
It was built before Second World War.
It's long time.
Very old.
Sobrang old na daw yan na ship guys, oh. Polish ship. Oh my god, I forgot. Gonna be tired, my hands push me. I forgot to bring my stick because I thought we are only going tam in the another. I didn't know that we go here.
I want to take you to that. I will take you picture too with this ship.
Later. Maybe we have to eat something with that, no?
No,
Some sandwich.
kami.
Because I'm hungry.
Tam maybe. Ty głodna też?
No, I'm hungry.
No dobra.
We didn't eat this snack at home.
Dobra, zjemy tosta.
Okay.
Oh, this is the oldest sailing ship sailing under Polish flag. Mami?
Ganda lang. Dito tayo sa ano ngayon, sa Riverside, Tato.
It's Szczecin Riverside with very nice view.
It make me tired quickly my this time because I didn't know that I have to. I thought next week we will go here. Nice. Tayo sa may sa may ganda ng view.
Very high masts. Kapitan Borchardt. Huh? Yeah.
Lakad-lakad tayo dito, lakad-lakad. May pa-festival na naman sila this week. Festival. May pa-festival sila.
You want to go on the bridge? Okay, let's go.
Habang what is Nematam something?
It's the beach island. There is beach island. Island with beach. You can sit down and sit and relax
Yeah.
on the beach.
Ganda ng ano nila guys, no? Natagano ako, taga-video. Oh, ang galing. Yan ang pinaka-all ship nila dito. You took already picture with this one?
Yeah.
Later, hello guys.
I will take.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Dito tayo lakad-lakad tayo sa ano, sa may
Diving.
ano, oh. Ayun yung kinuhanan natin ng kwan kanina. Bridge. Oh,
Take for you.
daming boat doon, oh, sa baba.
Show these boats.
Oh, daming boat.
Many boats.
May ang daming boats doon, oh. Relax muna tayo dito. Tour ko muna kayo saglit, sandali. Wala tayong ganap ngayon. Ito lang ang ganap natin. Ngayong araw. Wala sa plano, bigla akong dinala nila kayo dito. Wala sa plano ngayon sana. Kasi next week, ang ano dito, ang festival nila next week. Eh, dumaan kami, kasi galing kami doon sa dumaan kami rito. Oh. Ganda ng pa-view nila, pa-view. Last year, I remember we went here, Tato. There is, they put some sun here like this, but near terrace.
Yes, Tamil Beach.
They make also?
You can go on the beach. I will take video another one for you.
Dahil lang guys, pakita natin dito sa kabila. Hello. Hello. Ganda ng araw ngayon, hindi masyado. Pero dahil sa ano, ginawa nila dito, ano, beach nila, beach.
City Beach.
Tingnan natin kung anong mayroon. I'm hungry, you know. I wake up and we went already here.
We'll go to eat something. We'll check. Vicky will check what is for eating there.
Wat zou je jammen?
Oh look.
Tingnan niyo yung beach nila
It's
dito.
the beach.
City beach. Bukad yan, mag-kain.
Look on the look on the skin.
Minaminardel na niya yung ano, kapatid niya.
There's also some bistro, some music, bistro. So you can sit here, just relax. Have it.
Malapit lang tayo sa bahay. Nasa kabilang ano lang kami. Riverside. Pagtawid mo dyan, ano,
You can sit here.
nasa bahay.
Odsiadaj.
Muna tayo saglit guys. Kaya. Mag-relax muna. Nice relaxing.
Oh, you can even sleep.
Yeah, I will sleep more.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep more. You can take me a picture here, Dad. Sitting here. You can take me a picture here, Dad. My God, it's sunny. Tayo guys, bibili tayo ng ano nila. Kain nila. Hotdog, hotdogi izerem. Polish meal.
What do you want, zapiekanka or hot dog?
What's zapikanka? What is it?
Zapiekanka is that baked bułka with additionals on the top.
What is additional on the top?
You can choose mozzarella, mushrooms,
Yeah, I don't like this mushroom.
szynka, boczek.
It's a casserole.
Pepperoni is good.
It's called a casserole.
Cheese, mozzarella and kiełbasa, pepperoni.
I think it's a casserole.
You want pepperoni?
It's
Zapiekanka?
okay, I will taste it.
Tam nie ma mushrooms. You don't like mushrooms, tak?
Carbonara wygląda fajnie, ale jest droga.
Nandun pa lang.
To jest się... Aczkolwiek, nie, wiesz sam.
Ten zapiekany z serem?
Muna natin yung ano natin guys, yung order natin. Where we can sit? Tato? Tato? Where we can sit?
I guess you can barge into someone.
Tag. Ano guys, kain muna tayo dito. Ano guys dito. Tata, maybe you want to get something to drink here. My God, my pen, my kamay. Ikot lang. Where we can sit. Maybe in this one, another. This one. Natin tagal-tagal nila dyan, oh. Kaya natin yung binibili natin, guys. Kaya nagutom. We can sit here, Tato, I think. Ay. Some guy, sit. We can sit down? Sit here a moment. Pumuna tayo dito, guys. Kaya natin yung ating order. Sit down. So, okay here? Okay. To sit here a moment. Tayo natin yung ano natin. Ang init. O, tingnan nyo guys. O, dami-daming taong naglalakad na. Postobi sa ano pa yan. Next week ang start. Pero may ano na. Doon, ganda ng view sa likod, oh. Sila kayo. Oh, nagtakatay siya doon, naghihintay kasi nagpuumano kami ng pagkain dyan, oh. Bibili tayo ng inumin. Tato? Tato? Liwanan ako dito. Hindi ako pwede mag-vlog. What? Wala. What wala yun? Basta? Yeah, I think that you... Ano? Kita mayugo sama din. Balik tayo, upo. Balik, upo. Balik. Mag-ama doon, naghihintay ng ano. Naghihintay ng order natin. Yung mag-ama, oh. Hinihintay natin yung parang kanong oh my god, it's very hot there. Have to put here. Gonna be. Ano yun, guys? Daming tao. Sarap kumain, kain. Ang gutom ako. Magama yun. Hinihintay nila yung order. Tagal naman na magluto itong mga ano. Gutom na gutom. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yung wheel. Dito tayo sa dilim. Ay. Sakay tayo dyan. Takot akong sumakay dyan. Yun na yung mag-ama.
It's your
This
pepperoni.
is my pepperoni? Jumbo ibado. Oh, it's so much big.
You take tissue, huh?
You didn't give you a tissue? Kain tayo guys, kain. Kain muna tayo, kain. Kain muna tayo, kain. Ito putang because it's dirty. Maganda. Yan tayo guys. I forgot to bring my stick.
Hmm?
I forgot to bring my stick.
Big one, huh?
Ang tayo kain. Kain tato. Kain.
Hmm?
Si kain.
Kain?
Ang laki naman ng tinapay na to. Kain na tayo, nakakain na tayo. Nakakain na. This is a trash, tato. This black one.
Huh?
It's a trash. This is a trash or what?
No.
I thought it's a trash.
What do you mean?
Trash.
Trash, dai.
Myanmar, I think. Tapon sila kayo ng basura. Uwi na tayo, nakakain na tayo. Nakakain na tayo ng hapunan. Daming tao guys, daming tao. Festival na naman kasi dito. Mag-Easter na naman yung festival nila. Kaya padaan kami nila kay. Ayan na siya. Dadala niya yung camera niya. Okay, let's go home. Here? Which side? Uwi na tayo. Uwi na. Makain na tayo. Ganda ng view guys. Tingnan nyo. Yung wheel na inupuan natin kaya na yun ay malaki Will you park the car tato? Yeah? Here? Tayo, uwi na. Relax tayo ng konti. Uwi na tayo, uwi na. Sakay na tayo. Okay.
Wait for Iko Anya, will make tea.
Okay, Dob siya, okay. Hintayin natin sila kay ihiyaw siya. Uwi na guys, pag uwi. Uwi na tayo guys, uwi na.